Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1. Today we're taking you on a relaxing stroll through Tomorrowland at night. We hope you enjoy the video. And of course, Tomorrowland at night is one of the most beautiful sights in the park. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful music and the wonderful neon lights.
Coffee.
This time it's laughter thereafter at Monsters Incorporated. So drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all of his pals at Monsters Incorporated. Share the fun. This time it's laughter thereafter at Monsters Incorporated. So drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all of his pals at Monsters Incorporated platform. Share the fun. This time it's laughter thereafter at Monsters Incorporated. So drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated platform. Share the fun.
We did. Get to go on one ride and
Doubles recently.
And of course, Stitch's Great Escape is closed temporarily, or at least seasonally. The rumor is that it will be back open eventually. Originally they had said it was going to be closed permanently, but it's got the character greeting sign back up. I love these little signs over here, contributing to that future that never was theme of this area. The after orbiter up there going strong. And this is the perfect time to take this relaxing stroll because from what I've heard and read, the current Disney cast member or supervisor manager that's in charge of Tomorrowland wanted to make sure all the lighting was fixed around this area. So there was a while, I believe in the early and mid 2000s, that a lot of the lights were out and a lot of the neon didn't work. And so this new manager has really made it a priority to get everything fixed so that Tomorrowland is just as beautiful at night as the original Imagineers who designed it intended it to be. There's the Carousel of Progress, sporting that wonderful new paint job that it's had for a little while now. And there's the entrance to the Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover, my favorite ride. By the way, I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but the reason this video is shot in 30 frames per second instead of 60 frames per second is actually because at nighttime the 30 frames per second takes in more light. So I thought that the lighting and the colors around the Magic Kingdom tonight would be a lot more easily seen and vibrant with 30 frames per second. I love these palm trees here. They actually fold up at different times of the day. I love the new lighting on Space Mountain. So beautiful, and it changes colors gradually throughout the night. And of course the new Tron Light Cycles attraction will be going in right there next to the Tomorrowland Power and Light Company, which actually isn't that anymore. It used to be the Tomorrowland Power and Light Company there, but that's where the new Tron Light Cycles attraction will eventually go. At least that's where the entrance will be. there's the Speedway and the end of Tomorrowland, so we'll turn around and go back the other way.
So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see.
So it wouldn't be a true Tomorrowland relaxing stroll without the people mover breaking down. It's broken down quite a bit today. In fact, if you watched our live stream earlier today, I had to be evacuated off of it, so that was fun. By the way, that ride stoppage safety spiel that came on, not the cast member talking, but the pre-recorded one, is Jack Wagner, he was the original voice of Walt Disney World. Just love the colors here. So we hope you've enjoyed this relaxing stroll around Tomorrowland as Great Big Beautiful Tomorrow plays in the background. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so.
So drop in and join the Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated platform. Share the fun.
Also, make sure you check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, for the best in free vacation planning advice. Also, check out WindowRepairParts.us and use the coupon code ResortTV1 for 20% off your purchase. So for now, have a great big beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great big beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.